I read a book. I read a book. I read a book. I wash my hands. I drink water.
I go to work. I go to work.
I watch TV. I make coffee. I study English. I study English. I cook food. I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I wash my hands before cooking. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I wash my face. I drink water. I wash my hands.
I go to work. I go to work.
I read a book. I read a book. I read a book. I watch TV. I make coffee. I cook food. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I study English. I study English. I take a shower. I wake up in the morning. I wash my hands before cooking. I eat breakfast. I get out of bed. I get dressed.